You probably have heard of teamLab or seen some video snippets of their amazing art exhibitions from Tokyo. As we all know, the UAE is the vanguard of modern innovation and design, so they have collaborated with teamLab to construct a new amazing museum in Abu Dhabi, opening in 2024. Located amidst the vibrant landscape of the Saadiyat Cultural District, teamLab Phenomena stands as a beacon of futuristic design and immersive artistry. This project, a collaborative endeavour between teamLab, the Abu Dhabi Department of Culture and Tourism, and the Miral Group, symbolises a fusion of art, technology and nature. This pioneering venture represents a significant stride in Abu Dhabi's cultural evolution, aligning perfectly with the city's vision of becoming a global hub for creativity and innovation. teamLab Phenomena in Abu Dhabi is set to be a landmark addition to the Saadiyat Cultural District, joining other architectural masterpieces designed by renowned architects like John Nouvel, who designed the Louvre Abu Dhabi, and Frank Gehry, who is behind the Guggenheim Abu Dhabi, which is a few years off completion. teamLab Phenomena promises to be more than a mere attraction. It is a transformative experience that redefines the boundaries between art, science, and the natural world. This interplay of elements crafts a narrative that is as enlightening as it is enthralling, inviting visitors to explore, interact, and reflect. If you have never heard of teamLab, let's begin by explaining who exactly they are. teamLab is an international art collective, formed in 2001 in Tokyo, Japan. teamLab creates artworks using digital technology. Their interactive art exhibitions are a play on sight, sound, and touch, and these exhibitions have been held around the world. But there are also large-scale permanent exhibitions and fully designated teamLab museums in Tokyo, Shanghai, and Macau, with more to open in several cities soon, including Abu Dhabi. teamLab's philosophy revolves around the concept of creating spaces that are not just physical structures but interactive environments that respond to and evolve with their occupants. Their approach to architecture is deeply influenced by their background in art and digital technology, leading to designs that are not only structurally sound but also aesthetically compelling and experientially rich. This holistic approach to design is evident in teamLab Phenomena, where every element of the building is crafted to complement and enhance the artistic installations within. The work of teamLab architects is distinguished by its fusion of traditional architectural principles with cutting-edge technology and environmental sensitivity. They prioritize sustainable design and ecological harmony, ensuring that their creations are not only visually stunning but also responsible and mindful of their impact on the environment. In comparison to other notable architectural works, teamLab's creations stand out for their interactive and immersive qualities. For instance, their previous projects, like the interactive whirlpools inside the National Gallery of Victoria and a virtual vortex at Helsinki's Amos Rex Gallery, showcase their unique ability to create spaces that are not just visually striking, but also engage visitors in a multi-sensory experience. The specially created, one-of-a-kind building for teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi is like a beautiful vision of art and building. The building is currently at about 70% completed, with no specific opening date announced. But if things progress without any hiccups, the museum should be on course to open in the summer of 2024. As part of the project, teamLab collaborated with MZ Architects to create the 17,000 square metre massive museum. The architecture of teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi is a fascinating amalgamation of art and environmental sensitivity, uniquely conceptualized by teamLab architects. This innovative design transcends traditional architectural norms, focusing on creating a structure that is organically integrated with the experiences it houses. Rather than conforming to the conventional approach of confining spaces within rigid boundaries, teamLab's Phenomena's architecture is designed both from the inside out and the outside in. This design philosophy results in a building that wraps around experiences, creating environments that are in a continuous dialogue with the artworks and the visitors. One of the most striking features of teamLab Phenomena's exterior is its ability to create a dialogue with the surrounding environment. The building's facade and overall form are designed to blend seamlessly with the natural landscape of Saadiyat Island, reflecting the cultural district's commitment to harmony between art, nature and architecture. This approach sets it apart from traditional museum structures, which often stand as distinct entities separate from their surroundings. In terms of landscaping, teamLab Phenomena takes an innovative approach. The outdoor spaces are designed to be more than just aesthetic enhancements. They are integral to the artistic journey of the venue. The landscaping is carefully planned to complement the building's fluid design, with pathways and green spaces that invite exploration and interaction. The use of indigenous plants and sustainable landscaping techniques further emphasizes the project's commitment to environmental sensitivity. The outdoor lighting design is another aspect that makes teamLab Phenomena's exterior stand out. The lighting is thoughtfully integrated into the landscaping, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow that enhances the building's architectural features and the natural beauty of the surroundings. This creates a captivating visual experience for visitors, both during the day and at night. Furthermore, the exterior spaces of teamLab Phenomena are designed to be versatile, accommodating various outdoor installations and events. This flexibility allows the venue to host a range of artistic and cultural activities, making it a dynamic and ever-evolving space. Upon entering teamLab Phenomena, one steps into a world where every corner, every surface becomes a canvas for digital art. The interiors are designed to be fluid, allowing for a seamless flow between different artistic zones. This fluidity encourages exploration, leading visitors through a maze of interactive installations that respond dynamically to human presence and movement. The art here is alive, changing and evolving with each interaction, making every visit a unique experience. The use of cutting-edge technology is evident in every aspect of the interior design. From high-resolution projections to responsive sensors and advanced sound systems, the technology is subtly integrated, ensuring that the focus remains on the art and the experience. This technological integration allows for a level of interactive that blurs the line between the viewer and the viewed, encouraging a deeper engagement with the art. The lighting within teamLab Phenomena plays a crucial role in creating the immersive atmosphere. It is used not just for illumination, but as an artistic tool, shaping spaces, guiding movements, and enhancing the emotional impact of the installations. The lighting design is meticulously planned to complement the art, creating an environment that is both ethereal and grounded in sensory reality. The teamLab Phenomena experience is a journey through a kaleidoscope of environments, each designed to evoke different emotions and thoughts. From serene and contemplative spaces to areas of vibrant energy and movement, the interiors offer a diverse range of experiences. This diversity is key to the concept of teamLab Phenomena, reflecting the multifaceted nature of art and human experience. But what role does teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi play in enriching Abu Dhabi's vibrant cultural scene? How does it stand as a beacon of educational innovation and inspiration? Consider teamLab's Phenomena's potential as a cultural catalyst. As a groundbreaking addition to the Saadiyat Cultural District, it joins the ranks of iconic institutions like the Louvre Abu Dhabi, but how might it redefine our understanding of art and its interaction with the audience? Does it signal a new era where cultural experiences are not just observed, but deeply felt and interacted with? Furthermore, consider the broader implications for Abu Dhabi. How might teamLab Phenomena contribute to the city's vision as a global hub of creativity and innovation? Could it inspire a new generation of artists, technologists, and thinkers who view the world through a lens of interconnectedness and innovation? We'd love to hear your thoughts and perspectives on teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi. What role do you think it will play in enriching the cultural landscape of Abu Dhabi? How do you see it impacting education and inspiring innovation? Your insights are invaluable to us. Please share your views in the comments below. And there you have it, the Phenomena. If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate if you could subscribe and like the video. It would help us a lot. Thank you, and see you in the next one.